Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name's Madison. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. This morning I had a final interview for a job that I applied for and I got it, so that is wonderful. I am very excited about that. Anywho, I went to Sprouts the other day and got a few things for this video and this week because I'm going to be doing a juice smoothie detox for a whole week. My parents actually just left this morning, really early this morning. They're gonna be gone for the whole week till next Wednesday, so I thought it was the perfect time to try this out. So without further I see you. Excuse me. Excuse me? Excuse me. Hello? Thank you. Oh, that tongue. So without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new and let's go make some juice. Alright, so now we're in the kitchen and it is so yellow in here. Like my face looks like super yellow, but that's okay. So the book that I'm going off of is this book called Green Smoothies. It has 66 recipes and a 7-day detox plan. That's what I'm going to be doing. It just looks like this and I got it from Urban Outfitters like, I don't know, a few years ago or something, and I love it and it's really cute too. I'll show you in a second. I'll just show you. But it's really cute because it'll show you like everything that goes into it and I just think it's adorable. Like this one for instance is savory, but they have some sweet ones and it has ingredients and how to do like directions. Then it has like what it's good for. This one says treat your skin by drinking a smoothie which is rich in vitamin C and fiber, detoxifying, blah blah blah. So I think it's just really cute. And then here is the 7-day green juice detox plan. So basically it just has all 7 days and then in the mornings we'll have juice and then the rest of the day is the smoothie of that day. It had a different one for every day, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Today is the Summer Fresh Savory and Thirst Quenching Juice and I have a juicer right here. This is the juicer we have. I got it out. We haven't used it in a while. We used to use it a lot. My parents did. This one has basil, mint, spinach, cucumber, lemon, lime, ginger, and apple, like optional, but I do it. I actually had this one yesterday just to try it out and it was really good, but I forgot the ginger, so we'll have to do that today. And this one is good for alkalizing, immunizing, and skin enhancing. I just have my ginger and an apple, my mint, basil, lime, lemon, cucumber, and I'm just doing, instead of just like spinach, I just have this super greens mix from Sprouts. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Oh, that's strong. It's really good. I would say mainly the thing that is like a lot would be the ginger mixed with the lemon. Day 1 juice, check. Next for day 2 is the Green Giant and it's savory. This has broccoli, green grapes, spinach, cabbage, and apple. And then you just do it in the juicer like earlier and that'll be for my breakfast in the morning. Okay, so it is day 2 of the juice smoothie detox cleanse. I am so exhausted. So basically last night my grandma's car would not start. We went to try to jump start it, it didn't start. Then this morning we drove over there and it still wouldn't start. I've been driving all around town. Finally our car shop guy got it started. Oh, now my battery's about to die, so okay, BRB. All right, new battery. Where was I? So he finally got it started at Walmart, so we drove back to the shop and she left it there. And then I drove her around some other places she needed to go to and then I dropped her off at work. That took about like 3 hours of the morning. Plus, I don't know if this is TMI, but I started my period this morning too. I don't have any makeup on. I haven't even showered today. I literally just got up this morning, brushed my teeth, put on some clothes and literally left. I always have the worst. Is the dog behind me? Oh. I literally have the worst like pains ever. Like last time I had my period. There was one point where I was seriously just laying in my bed, laying down still and curled up because it hurt so bad, and I seriously started crying because it hurt that bad. So that's great. Anyway, I'm going to go. I haven't had anything to eat yet either, so I'm like starving. And the good YouTuber I am, I forgot to film my smoothie from last night, but I'll show you what it was. But I'm gonna go have my juice and hopefully it's good and it can wake me up and I'll feel a little bit better. I don't know, but let's go drink that. Okay, so I just got my juice. It's pretty good. Added a little stevia to it because I forgot last night I added some apple cider vinegar to it, so it's kind of strong. Oh my gosh, I have a bubble in my throat. I sounded weird for a second. Alright, so the smoothie I had last night was strawberry joy. So it just had bok choy, banana, strawberries, and grapes. So today's juice, day 3, is greens, just like the green mix I had. Cilantro, parsley, coconut water, and apple. It's actually really good. Like, I didn't add anything to it. It was pretty tasty. Good morning, it's Saturday. It was super stormy, like raining. Now it's all bright, well, kind of bright, but like cloudy outside, and it's actually not freezing outside, so that's a miracle. Literally, I can't talk. I just got back from my brother's basketball game. He did really good. Today, I haven't had anything to eat yet, and it's like 2 o'clock already almost. But so I'm gonna go have my juice and then probably have the smoothie right after that. And it is so windy outside, but I don't even care because it's so nice outside. It's been so freaking cold and snowy and icy this whole winter. It's insane. So I'm just ready for it to stay like this and get warmer. I'm so ready for summer. My parents are actually in LA. Don't remember if I told you that. If I did, oh well. They are there right now and I'm so jealous, and they were like, you know, Skyping me and or Snapchat calling me and stuff while they were walking around and on the beach and stuff, and so I'm ready for summer and it's really nice outside and I want it to get warmer. So spring, please be here now. Okay, so I don't actually have all the ingredients. When I went to Sprouts the other day to get groceries, I couldn't find everything that I needed to make all the juices. So I just made this one last night. It's just kind of like what I had. I didn't actually use a recipe for that one, but it has like kiwi, banana, orange, lemon, lime, greens, ginger. I don't even know. I don't know. I don't remember what I put in it, but it tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna drink that. That is my juice for today. And then later I'll probably make a smoothie. I keep forgetting to show you guys what smoothies I'm making. So if I remember, I guess you'll see it later. All right, so it is currently 7:50 p.m. I'm actually so tired. So I thought I would go ahead and make some almond and peanut butter energy balls. So I need to take these. I soaked them to get all the gross stuff out, but I have almonds, so I'll chop those up. And I also have just peanuts that I chopped up, or I'm going to chop up, and then some almond butter. And then in here I just have, it's called Swerve. It is like a sugar substitute. The bag looks like this. I just got it at Walmart. It seriously tastes so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's the best sugar substitute I have ever had in my freaking life. Hello, today is Sunday. I just got back from taking my dogs on a walk and it was good. It's not like super freezing outside, and by that I mean it's like in the 30s and 40s, so it's still cold. But anyway, I went to church this morning, so that was great. So I did have a juice earlier. I will show you. Is my book in here? I couldn't really film because I was in a rush on this morning for church, but I will show you which one it is, or which one I had this morning. This morning I had the fat burner, and it had kale, carrots, lemon, and ginger in it. And this one was good for metabolism, boosting muscle and bone building, and immunizing. I always never feel like I say that word right, but it's fine. So I'm about to go make a smoothie. I'll probably make it a protein smoothie. I'm not gonna do one from the book. I'm just gonna do one kind of like I usually do. Oh, and last night I got cut off because my grandma walked, or she walked in the door, so I just like turned off my camera but I was in the middle of making those almond peanut butter whatever ball things. Basically you just put them into balls and then I put them in the freezer and then eat them the next morning, and they're really good. And they're super easy. It was just the almond butter or peanut butter with crushed almonds and peanuts, and then some type of like sugar. I did the Swerve, like a sugar substitute, and it's really good, so I recommend that. You can also do like maple syrup or normal sugar or brown sugar or honey or stuff like that. So they're really tasty. I would definitely recommend it. It's super easy, like 3-4 ingredients. So let's go make a smoothie. Okay, so I'll just put some frozen blueberries, strawberries, and cherries. And then this is the rest of my frozen spinach I have. There's not much left. Then just some almond milk. Usually I do the coconut almond milk, but this is all we have at the moment. Then just this organic protein powder. It's plant-based. It's really good. And then at the end, on top of my bowl, I will put the chia seeds on and maybe some nuts or something. So yeah, and I forgot about it, but I started peeling. I was like, oh yeah, duh. I usually put a banana in there if it's like a protein smoothie, so yep. Alright, so I just have some cacao nibs, some chia seed, and some almonds and peanuts that I soaked overnight in water and apple cider vinegar, and that's it. I actually decided to put some frozen blueberries on top, and that is my smoothie bowl for today. Okay, so I just got back from taking Phoebe and Frankie on a short little like 30-minute walk around the neighborhood, and it's actually not that bad. It's kind of cold. I'm under our little like roof thing outside on the patio, but anyway, it's not that bad in the sun, and actually I got kind of hot, so that was a great feeling to feel after it's been like ice cold this whole winter. But so I just got my smoothie from out of the fridge, not my smoothie, my juice, what am I saying, that I got out of the fridge last night, that I made last night. Jeez, I can't talk. So I'm gonna drink that and play with the dogs outside. They're so cute. Here, I'll show you. Look at those goobers. Frankie! Hi, baby. Hello. Your fur's getting so long. Wait. And let's see, I didn't do one in the book again because I'm running out of supplies, ingredients, but I just did the rest of the bok choy. Sorry, the garbage man came. She's going crazy. You're going crazy. How can you say no to that? She is so cute. You got some stuff stuck in your fur. Oh my goodness. Why are you so cute, Frankie? Frankie, I love you. Ooh, I love you. She's the cutest thing ever. I love you. Oh my gosh. Oh, there she goes. Anyway, my dogs are distracting me. I was trying to say that last night when I made the juice, I didn't do one from the book. I just did some ingredients that I had left because I'm running out of stuff. But I did the rest of the bok choy, some superfood greens from that mix. What else did I do? I did a lime. I did some mint. Some mint and some ginger and basil. I don't know, I just did a bunch of the greens. Oh, I did some zucchini, a pear, an apple. I think that's it. I don't know. But I just did kind of like random stuff, and it's pretty good, so that's great. Hey everyone, so today is Tuesday? Yeah, it's the last day of the juice detox thing. Anyway, I totally thought that I had filmed me making the juice last night or like something rather, but apparently I didn't. And I already drank it. I drank it like a couple hours ago. I didn't really film anything today because I had work stuff and I just completely forgot about it, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I think this week went pretty well. I feel good. The juices and smoothies were good. I did make up a few like random juices because I started running out of stuff like ingredients and things. Overall, it went pretty well. I definitely recommend doing juicing just like for breakfast, and then just eat regular like the rest of the day because it's just so refreshing and yummy and delicious. So I definitely recommend it. Also, I have been up really early in the morning and I've had this makeup on all day and I feel disgusting and I want to take it off. So I'm gonna end this video here, this vlog, whatever you want to call it here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. You can't even see my thumb. Like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to put that notifications bell on to get notified when I post new videos. I try to post every Friday. I love you guys, and you know, comment down below. I'd love to chat to you guys and talk and like meet you guys and see like who I'm talking to in these videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.